Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Brittany Mills. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and also turn on your notifications so you will know when I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how I do my 3-layer cornrows, small and close together. Here I have already washed and prepped my hair, parted it and everything. So I will be showing you guys the whole process step by step on how to achieve this 3-layer cornrows look. So now let's get started.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble and everlasting ego. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Okay, so I am now finished braiding one side of my hair. I will say when you're braiding, be careful around your edges. You don't want to pull them too hard. As you can see, I did just a little bit, well, close and tighter than what I wanted. But I did put oil on my hair every day until it loosened up. Okay, so the technique when trying to braid small and close together is when you part, you want to make each part for that particular braid thinner than the previous braid. So when you braid your first braid, That's your starting braid. Your second braid, you're going to part that thinner than you did your first main braid. For your third braid, you're going to part that smaller than you did your second braid, and so on and so forth. And then it's just going to start forming together and coming together and being close. As you can see, when I'm braiding, and once I finish halfway braiding down, I stop. And then I go back at the end and braid the braids all the way down. I don't want to spend too much time on one braid, so I just braid it enough to where it covers my natural hair, and then I continue on from there. So I'm going to finish up braiding the front of my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to braiding the back and go from there.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place.
I am now finished braiding all of my hair. So as I mentioned before, I braid my hair down to my scalp, and then I go back and braid it down to the end, because that process is a lot faster for me. And as I mentioned, I don't want to spend too much time on one braid.
No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
So I am now finished braiding my hair and braiding it all the way to the ends. So next I will be just showing you guys my hair, my 3 layers that I did. Then I will proceed to going through braids and just trimming it up because you know it can end up being a little frizzy and flyaways. After that I would then dip my ends in hot water. So I have a pot that I don't cook in anymore, so I just use it just for dipping the ends of my hair when I'm braiding it. And that will be it for that part.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around. I truly hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Be one of the